there is a way to keep the high gloss finish on your new BMW wash after wash. With the BMW Protect X system, you can protect your vehicle's paintwork and interior and its future resale value. The truth is, today's vehicles are constantly under assault from a wide range of man-made and natural factors, attacking your BMW's flawless finish outside and in. But it doesn't have to be like that. When you use Protect X, your BMW will maintain a high gloss finish after every wash. With conventional wax polishes, external factors such as acid rain and the sun's UV rays degrade the paintwork as the car ages, resulting in that dull, faded look. The Protect X paintwork product is suitable for both new and approved used cars and is applied in 2 stages. Firstly, our trained valeters clean and apply the pre-seal formulation to penetrate the paint's pores. Then, a new layer, creating a high gloss coating that resists attack permanently. But the paintwork protection is not the only element of the BMW Protect X package. GlassGuard coats the glass with a treatment that repels rain, causing it to bead and run off. So your view will be clear, enhancing your visibility and safety in wet driving conditions. Inside the car, StainGuard coats each fabric fibre with an invisible barrier that shields against spills, dirt, grease and oil. Spillages can easily be wiped off or vacuumed away. LeatherGuard protects against stains, dirt and spills while moisturising the leather, so that it keeps that supple, like new look. And the benefits don't stop there. Your take-home car care kit includes everything you'll need to maintain your BMW in the long term. Protect X, providing a transferable lifetime guarantee for paint, leather and fabrics, so you can keep that showroom shine forever.